Welcome to this video tutorial for the NMP flight application. The learning objective of this tutorial is to validate a flight plan and file a flight plan to IFPS. To start with, I'm going to open the text editor from the Flight submenu. Then I can write a flight plan by typing, or in this case, I'm going to paste a flight plan into the editor. My first action is to validate the flight plan to see if there's any IFPS errors. In this case, there is an IFPS error, and you can see that the invalid route has been plotted onto the map. The error list contains a small information icon at the end. If you click on that, you will be taken to the flight plan guide, which gives information which is based on the IFPS user's manual. If you want to change some of the route manually in the editor, you can use the plot button to plot the new route in the editor while leaving the original route also shown. The solid line is the original route that was in the editor. The dotted line is the route that is now represented in the editor. It's possible to use the proposed route function to help you find a valid route, or you can manually update the flight plan to fix the error. I'm just going to undo the change I made earlier. I'm going to manually update the route, and then I'm going to validate again. And in this case, the flight plan is valid, and I can use the File to IFPS button to have the flight plan submitted to IFPS. In which case, I will see in the results an ACK message has been replied to me from IFPS. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment if you have any feedback for us.